experiment is called traveling water. These are the skills that are needed for this experiment. First, observing. We have to observe the water movement through different kinds of materials. Second, analyzing. To know how material properties affect the water movement. And third, to record the characteristics of materials and experimental conditions. And these are the aim or goals for this experiment. First, to explore how different types of materials affect the rate of water travel through capillary action. Second, to compare the effectiveness of various string materials in transporting water. Third, to measure the rate of water travel through different types of strings and using the traveling water experiment.
And here are the problems for our experimentation. First, how does water move through different materials via capillary action? Second, what factors affect the rate of capillary action? And third, which materials are more permeable to water and how this affect the rate of water movement? Let's find out the answer as we go on in our experimentation. Materials that we will be needing in this experiment. First, water. Second, food color. Third, two clear containers. Fourth, long strings. And last, tape.
To execute this experiment, here are the process. First step, tape one end of the string to the inside bottom of a cup. Second step, fill the other cup and food coloring if you want and put the free end of the string in the water. The third step, lift the cup with water up above the other, but not directly over it. Hold it far enough the string is stuck. Be careful not to pull the string out of either cup. Third step, slowly pour the water out of the top cup onto the string. Remember to always keep it taut and observe what happens. Now, soak the entire string in water and try again. You should be able to pour the water straight from the top cup to the bottom cup through the string. Here are the guided questions that we need to answer. First, what are the properties of the materials being tested and how might these properties influence water movement?
The properties of materials being tested, including porosity, permeability, particle size, and organic matter content, directly influence water movement by determining factors such as the age of water, infiltration, retention, capacity, and the rate of drainage.
The second question, how does water move through each material and does the rate of movement vary between them?
Water moves through each materials based on its properties, with materials having higher porosity and permeability allowing for faster movement compared to those with lower porosity and permeability.
To sum up, the traveling water experiments show that the speed at which water passes through different materials varies based on factors such as the texture and degree of a fiber packing. Water typically moves through materials more quickly when they have a finer pores and higher permeability.
And that's the end of our experiment. These experiments help us to understand the different materials that affect the water movement, which is crucial in real-life application like engineering, environmental management, and agriculture. That's the end of our experiment.